Hello, family. Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode. Today, I'm in Davie, Florida with Mr. Trevor. Most of you already know Mr. Trevor. In this video, I'm showing him reaping some carrots. So for those of you who are interested in getting carrots, I'm going to put his number on the screen. You can reach out to him and you can get your carrots. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare the carrots. I'm going to be making carrot juice Jamaican style. I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for subscribing, for visiting, and for checking out my videos. I really appreciate it. Guys, let's get started.
You don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of the reggae dance hall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
We're going to start off with washing and lightly peeling our carrots. Our other ingredients are 1 can condensed milk, a Suppligen or Nutriment or an Ensure, whatever your choice is or your preference. We also are going to need a Guinness or Dragon, again, whatever your preference is. You're going to need a tablespoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon nutmeg and a tablespoon of white rum. And that's it. That's all you need for ingredients, guys. Once we have gathered the ingredients, we're going to cut the carrots in small pieces and blend it. Just like so. Once the carrot has been blended, the next step would be to strain it. So guys, once we've done straining it, we're ready to sweeten it. Now we're going to just add the nutmeg, add the Dragon or the Guinness, half a bottle. We're going to add the vanilla and the white rum. And we're going to add all the milk. I'm using the entire can of condensed milk because I'm not using any sugar. All right, so guys, and I'm also adding half a can of the Suppligen. Now, once we've added all those and we sweeten it to taste, we can chill it and have it, or we can serve it over ice. Whatever your preference is. Guys, for those of you who are from Jamaica, what is a Sunday dinner without a tall glass of carrot juice? Very delicious. Now, we all know that not only is carrot juice delicious, but it's also very nutritious because it's a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and calcium. Guys, go ahead. Try your carrot juice and let me know how it turned out. Guys, thanks for sticking with me throughout this video. And until next time, ciao!